Seacop Global Project, funded by the European Union Instrument Contribution to Stability and Peace under the European Union's Global Illicit Flows Programme, contributes to forging effective regional and global responses, such as strengthening mechanisms for cooperation within the region and with external partners, including capacity for real-time access to information and intelligence exchange.
The Jamaica Defence Force has always been a part of the Seacop program. We continue to support it. We see the benefit and the force multiplier of being able to train together, share together, and build our capacity to tackle the common threats in the maritime space.
As you've seen from our interdictions, we've seen guns coming through the ports, we've seen drugs coming through the ports, and of course illicit goods. And so we have to put what's necessary in place to deal with it. But the best way of doing it is a multi-agency approach. Obviously, we as the police see certain things. The JDF will see it, the Coast Guard, but also Customs Agency, key partner in this, will also see things. So we collaborate.
The idea is to provide intelligence to the teams in charge of roamage in ports or in sovereignty waters. And the third goal of Seacop is to support, to strengthen a better regional and inter-regional cooperation between the beneficiary countries.
It will result in an increase in the frequency of mentoring to the Joint Maritime Control Unit vessel search teams to twice per annum, utilizing both trainers from the UK Border Force as well as the French Customs. As this is intended to be the final phase of the project, and in an effort to ensure the sustainability, the project will collaborate with the Regional Security System of CARICOM to deliver a training of trainers program for the region. And so collaboration with the Joint Regional Communication Center of CARICOM will facilitate the provision of maritime intelligence element of this training.
The Jamaica Customs Agency is proud to be a vital partner and a key member in this fight against transnational criminality. In unity there is strength, and when agencies reinforce each other, share information, resources, the outcome is more effective.